For most creatures, a storm begins with rain. For this civilization, it begins with one molecule. A whisper of humidity, a trace of carbon dioxide, a vibration racing through the soil from a world still far above. Long before the first drop arrives, the colony already knows the flood is coming. Beneath the forest floor lies a living metropolis. Nurseries, storehouses, waste chambers, and deep within, pale fungal gardens like miniature forests. This is no mere nest. It is one of evolution's greatest engineering feats. Yet no architect, no king, no general ever guided it. Millions of tiny decisions by individuals who grasp almost nothing create something impossibly intelligent, a superorganism. Workers become its muscles, soldiers its immune system, scouts its senses, the queen its beating heart. Inside the farming chambers, workers tend delicate fungal gardens, living crops that have fed their kind for over 50 million years. Long before humans sowed a single field, these ants mastered agriculture. Destroy the fungus, and an empire starves. Then everything changes. Scouts detect rising moisture, strange carbon dioxide, the faint tremor of distant rain. Alone, the clues mean little. Together they reveal one truth. An alarm pheromone races through the colony. No words, no orders, yet thousands receive the same urgent message: emergency. What follows looks like military planning, yet no one planned it. Workers split into rescue teams. Some race for the nurseries, others for the fungus gardens. Soldiers take the strategic choke points. Each ant follows only local chemical cues. From pure decentralization emerges flawless coordination, a living paradox of intelligence without understanding. Workers gently lift every egg, each one a future worker, soldier, or queen. Larvae are carried through crowded tunnels. None are left behind. In the agricultural chambers, workers cut healthy fungus fragments and carry them like treasures, each pale cluster able to rebuild an entire farm. Then the first water invades. Tunnel walls collapse, yet the colony does not panic. It simply changes shape. Engineers seal doomed corridors with precision. Others dig new escape routes. Chambers are sacrificed. Lifelines are born. The city redesigns itself while drowning. The flood brings a silent killer: suffocation. But many ants carry a secret: microscopic hairs that trap a film of air, a physical gill that steals oxygen from the water. For precious extra minutes, these workers keep rescuing nestmates through fully submerged tunnels. Physics itself becomes their ally. The disaster also summons enemies. Thief ants pour through fractured tunnels, hunting eggs, larvae, and fungus. The moment an intruder brushes antennae with a defender, invisible chemistry decides everything. Every colony wears a unique chemical passport. One touch, instant verdict, friend or foe. Alarm pheromones explode. Soldiers surge through galleries barely wider than their bodies. Every tunnel becomes a war. Amid the fighting, the unbelievable happens. A defender lies badly wounded, abdomen crushed, legs useless. By every rule, she should be abandoned. Instead, a worker stops fighting, gently examines her with antennae, and lifts her onto her own back. Together they retreat. Scientists have discovered true battlefield rescue. Ants read distress signals, carry the wounded to safety, and clean wounds with their own antimicrobial secretions. Medicine, long before medicine had a name. Elsewhere, a worker is buried alive. Darkness, pressure, almost no air. By rubbing special body parts, she sends faint vibrations through the earth, a cry for help. To human ears, silence. To nearby workers, a desperate call. They follow the vibrations with perfect precision and pull her back into the living city. Thousands of workers haul soil grains, reshaping the flood's path. They know nothing of fluid dynamics, yet their collective rules rival the finest engineering. The underground river changes course, not because ants control the water, but because they reshape its path. Entire chambers are sacrificed to save the colony's living heart. Then comes the final decision: abandon the city. Thousands surge upward, carrying brood, precious fungus, and at the centre, the Queen. She gives no orders, she never has. The Queen is life itself, and around her, workers begin building with their own bodies. Leg locks to leg, mandible grips waist, claw grips antenna. Within minutes, thousands unite into something extraordinary, a living raft. Air sustains those below. The living raft bends, but never breaks. Struck by debris, it heals itself. Stretched by the current, it simply reshapes. Bridge, boat, and shelter. At its living heart rest the Queen, the rescued brood, and the final fragments of tomorrow's harvest. At last, the rain ends, the flood retreats. Countless workers are gone, much is lost, yet the colony knows no grief, only rebuilding. Almost immediately, debris is cleared. Precious fungus is replanted and protected. From only a few surviving threads, an entire farm begins to grow again. Workers share far more than food. They exchange immunity, microbes, hormones, and information, rebuilding the colony from within. Deep within the Queen's chamber, one new egg, then another, quietly, the future of the colony begins again. No ant understands the whole disaster. Each follows only a scent, a touch, a vibration, yet together they rebuild everything. From millions of tiny interactions emerges a civilization that builds, heals, adapts, and survives. Evolution calls this emergence. Because the true survivor was never a single ant, it was always the colony.